Hello guys, so in today's video I am going to be showing you all how to do this neutral daytime wearable makeup. You can wear this makeup if you're going for a function during the daytime. It's a very neutral yet natural makeup look, so please make sure that you're watching the tutorial till the end because I'm going to share a lot of tips. And you know something? Let me show you. This whole makeup look has been created with only this one palette, be it the eye makeup or the face makeup. You need to watch this video till the end so that you know that how you can save some money for your day-to-day natural makeup look. So if you all like this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, leave a heart emoji in the comment section below, share it with your friends who you think might benefit from this video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button so that you get notified every time I upload a new video. And now let's get started. Okay, so before starting off with this video, I have already done my base as well as my eyebrows, and if you want to check out how I did them, because I have included a lot of tips and tricks in order to stop the foundation from turning gray, in order to stop sweating during these hot summers. And for the brows, I have showed two techniques how you can do your eyebrows using a brow pencil as well as a brow powder. So if you want to check it out, then I will leave a link to it in the I button as well as in the description box below so that you can check it out. And now let's move to the rest of the face. Now this look is going to be so simple that you're not even going to need an eyeshadow palette for this. All you're going to need is this face palette, which includes of a bronzer, a blush as well as a highlighter. This is the Faces All Time Pro face palette, and today we are going to be using it to do our face as well as eye makeup. You're going to need a fluffy brush, and you will have to take this bronzer powder on this fluffy brush and start buffing it in your crease. Now what this will give is, it will just give a slight amount of depth to your eyes, and it will not make it look as flat as it is looking right now. Make sure you're going in windshield wiper as well as circular motions in order to do this. Now you will have to deposit most of the product in the outer corner because this will give the impression of a elongated eye, and then whatever is left on the brush, you will have to take it in the inner corner of your crease. I'm placing it a little above the depth of my crease, if that's making sense. You see how this eye looks a lot more dimensioned than this one. I will be repeating the same procedure on the other eye as well. Place the product in the outer corner and then blend it towards the inner half. Keep building it until and unless you are happy with the intensity. Now that both our eyes are dimensioned, I'm just going to add a slight little color on the lids. And for that, I'll be using this blusher shade, which is a beautiful peachy pink color. I'm going to take it on the same fluffy brush, dust off the excess, and I'm just going to give a wash of color to my eyelids. Same on the other eye. Make sure you're blending it into the brown bronzer shade so that it looks seamlessly blended. Now with a smudging brush, I will be again taking this bronzer shade and I'll be applying that shade on my lower lash line. Just make sure that while doing this, you are connecting it with the makeup on your upper side of the eye. I hope you're understanding it. Now since this is an everyday daytime look, we are not going to go in with a black kajal, but instead we are going to go in with a brown kajal, and for that I'm going to be using this Lakme Eyeconic Kajal pencil in the shade brown. What I'm going to do is I'm going to apply it on my waterline. You see how natural and dimensioned that looks? And now to open up those eyes, we are going to be using a lash curler, and for mascara I'll be using this Maybelline Total Temptations waterproof mascara. You see, it looks as if your lashes are on steroids or they have drank some protein milkshake. For bronzing the face, we are going to be using that same palette, and I'm going to be using that bronzing shade and bronze up my cheeks. The reason I'm not contouring here is because this is a daytime look and I don't want such sharp features. I just want to go a little natural. Then for the cheeks, I'll be using that same palette, taking this blush shade, and I'll be blushing up them cheeks. This color is so beautiful. I just love it. And while applying the blush, what I like to do is I like to, mix it in with the bronzer so that they don't look like two different products. They look different but still one. You get it, right? And also the best part about this blush is it has got that tiny amount of sheen, so I don't really need to use a highlighter along with this blush. It does the job of both. But since I am a glow baby, I will be applying some highlighter. Taking the same palette, taking this highlighter shade, I'm just gonna highlight. Oh my god! This looks so unreal. Oh my god, I love this. I freaking love this. Oh my god. The gods can actually see me from heaven right now. I'm gonna take a little bit on the inner corner of my eyes to open up those eyes, and also gonna apply a bit on my brow bone. For lipstick, since this is a very neutral makeup look, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Color Sensational Creamy Matte Lipstick in the shade Nude Nuance. It is a beautiful pinky brown with more amount of brown nude color. Oh, by the way, I have just uploaded a video on my channel which shows 25 different nude lipstick shades, and the best part is I have catered to every skin tone. Whether you're fair, whether you're medium skin tone, whether you're dark, you will find an option. And the best part is there are lipsticks starting from the price range of 75 rupees. So go check it out. I'll leave a link in the I button as well as in the description box below. And that's the finished look. Enjoyed this video, again, like, share, subscribe, and leave the red heart emoji in the comment section below like always. I will see you guys in my next video. Till then, bye.